Hi, my name is Tony Altilio. Welcome to Tony's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make eggplant parmesan. The recipe and the instructions, you'll find them at the end of the video. The ingredients are eggplants, your favorite tomato sauce, pecorino cheese, eggs, mozzarella shredded, and flour. Now we're gonna cut or slice the eggplant. We could do it the long way or the short way in a circular shape. Now we're going to fry the eggplant. Now I like to use a deep fryer, but if you don't have one, a frying pan will be fine. Let's do the first one. We flour it, put in an egg wash, make sure it's nice. Now at this point, some people put breadcrumbs. I don't like to do that, but if you like it, then put some breadcrumbs on it. Now we fry it. Now we're ready to put the eggplant together. First I'm going to use individual baking tray. It's good you freeze it and then you warm it up later on in a week or a couple of weeks, whenever you want. And then I'm going to show you using the baking dish for your dinner. I like to take a little sauce, put them at the bottom. Take an eggplant. Put a little more sauce on it. Sprinkle some cheese. Put a little mozzarella. Then put another layer of eggplant. Put some sauce. Sprinkle some cheese. And put as much mozzarella as you want. You'll do the same thing with the baking dish. You'll do the same thing with the baking dish. Same idea. Put some sauce at the bottom, a layer of eggplant, put sauce on top of the eggplant, sprinkle some cheese, some mozzarella, then repeat. Eggplant, sauce, sprinkle some cheese, and mozzarella. And you can make as high as you want the layers. It's up to you. I'll show you. Put some sauce at the bottom. Put eggplant. You could overlap them if you want, no problem. Put some more sauce on it. Sprinkle some cheese. Put some mozzarella. No. Another layer of eggplant. Some more sauce. Sprinkle some cheese. And mozzarella. Cover the whole thing. Alright, now we're going to bake the eggplant. We're going to take it to the oven. Now the small one. The eggplant is finished cooking. Is the finished product. That's the dinner tonight. And the smaller one, we'll freeze it